Documentary: The formation of tornadoes. Tornadoes are among the most fascinating and destructive natural phenomena on Earth. These powerful rotating columns of air can devastate everything in their path, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. But how do tornadoes form? What conditions lead to the birth of these vortexes? Chapter 1: Basic conditions. A tornado begins its development in an environment where two very different air masses collide. Typically, this involves warm, moist air from the tropics meeting cold, dry air descending from higher latitudes. This clash creates intense atmospheric instability, one of the fundamental conditions for the formation of severe thunderstorms known as supercells. Within these supercells, a powerful upward current of air carries warm air aloft. This vertical motion encourages the formation of mesocyclones, rotating columns of air within the storm. Chapter 2: The role of wind shear. Another crucial factor in the birth of a tornado is wind shear, which refers to the change in wind speed and direction with altitude. When winds at different levels move at varying speeds or in opposite directions, it creates horizontal rotation in the air. When this rotation interacts with the strong upward current inside the supercell, the rotating axis tilts vertically. This can lead to the formation of a mesocyclone, which serves as the core of the tornado. Chapter 3: The birth of the tornado. If the atmospheric conditions continue to support the rotation of the mesocyclone, the lower part of the vortex can extend downward, forming a visible funnel. When this funnel makes contact with the ground, a tornado is born. Tornadoes can vary greatly in size, intensity, and duration. Some may be weak and last only a few minutes, while others can have winds exceeding 400 km per hour, 250 miles per hour, and devastate large areas over dozens of kilometers. Tornadoes, while awe-inspiring in their fury, represent a fascinating natural phenomenon, born from complex atmospheric dynamics. Studying their formation not only helps us better understand the workings of nature but also improves our ability to protect communities from their destructive consequences.